Hello to all of my future doctors, and you know that physics is the most difficult subject in the NEET exam, and many students struggle to score 160 plus because either they waste time on the wrong topics, wrong subjects, or they just stuck on only one chapter and they do not able to complete the entire syllabus. So in this part today I am going to help you to understand how you should study and what are the all important chapters of physics and which time you should study physics, and how you should manage your day so that you can score well in the NEET exam. Right, physics is the most difficult exam. Any doubt about that? If you think that physics is easy, then you are the topper. You are going to be the topper. Now one last push will going to be help you really good. Okay, I know that exam is on your head. The days are coming going by very soon. So if you are still wasting time and watching IPL or any other thing and your favorite influencer on YouTube or on Instagram, you are wasting your time. Now this is the time for your study. Okay, completely focused towards your study, and maybe you can study from YouTube, no doubt about it. We are YouTubers, we teach you through YouTube, so you can see our videos and learn from us, but don't waste time on other useless things. This is the most important time of your entire life, so this can make or break your life. So don't waste time. This is very important time, so you have to try little harder than whatever you are doing before. Now first, what you have to do to achieve a very good result in your NEET exam? Set your target for the next day. So you have to set a target before going into sleep. You have to write it down on a notebook that tomorrow I have to finish these chapters, I have to complete this and these concepts, I have to solve a few more questions, or I have to attempt one mock test. So whatever you are going to do tomorrow, write it down on a notebook on a fresh page, right? Next, sleep is must. You have to sleep 6 to 7 hours. Those who said I studied in 18 hours, I studied 19 hours, either they are genius, or in future that will be a very adverse health effect to all of them. Okay, so don't listen to all of them. So 7 to 8 hours sleep is sufficient. Remaining hours you have to adjust between your study and your preparation. Okay, so test yourself every 3 days. Very important. You have to take mock test, and you have to be ready for your NEET exam. Okay, if you are don't testing yourself, then you don't know what level of preparation you are currently at. Okay, refer notes, one shot videos, whatever is available to you. We will be trying to provide you some of the one shot videos, some important chapters, some important questions as well. So you have to see those as well. Now next, what else? Now Abhyas NEET test series, not cassette, Abhyas NEET test series is absolutely free, available for all of you. Here we have 5 full length free mock test, okay, and it will be complete full paper. So you have to attempt the paper on time. Okay, you have to for that you have to register yourself from the link given in the description below. Register yourself, avail the 5 free mock test. Okay, already thousands of students already registered, and if you have not yet done so, then you are missing out on that. It is absolutely free, no condition, but only thing you have to do, you have to just click on the link below and register yourself. Next is how many hours I should study physics. So this is a very crucial thing. I always listen from the students. Now you have to remember that 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours, I recommend 4 hours, but if you are not having enough time, so 3 to 4 hours is must for physics. Okay, I said 8 hours of sleep, and if you can manage 15 hours or 14 hours of study, okay, starting from the morning, okay, then it will be very good. And if you can manage 3 to 4 hours of physics per day, it will be very helpful. Fix some time for the day. Okay, don't study randomly. Okay, right now I am feeling I have to study physics, or oh, I have not finished this chapter of physics, I have to finish the chapter of physics. But then when you open the book, you realized, okay, I was doing some biology work which is lost in the way. So don't waste your time. Time management is very important. So if in the morning, I recommend when you are waking up, you are fresh, take some hot cup of tea, and then start your day with physics. Okay, so this is very, very important. When your mind is fresh, you can understand clearly. Okay, some people are not familiar at the beginning in the morning, they still stay dizzy for 2-3 hours. So for them I recommend you can start after lunch as well. Okay, after lunch, when you have done the food and you are fresh and you are ready to go, you can take 2-3 hours after lunch as well. Now if you are someone who feels sleepy after lunch and I want to take at least 1 hour nap after lunch, then in the evening when you wake up, or when you are fresh enough, always try to take physics when you are fresh enough. Okay, you can divide your time either any 2 of the slots to 2 hours. Okay, now in between 2 hours, obviously you have to study some time, you have to take some rest, you have to have some breakfast in the morning session. If you are taking morning session, you wake up, you have some tea. Okay, you study for 1 hour, then you have some food, then again you come back and you study. Okay, don't study continuously, that might make you feel boring. Again, when you are in the flow as well, if you are studying in a flow, okay, then you don't stop. If you think that I can continue studying, or if you have lost the sense of the time, that is the best way to gauge yourself that whether I am studying well or not. So when it is happening that you are studying and suddenly you see the clock, already 3-4 hours have already passed, that means you are so deep into the study that you have lost the sense of time. That is the actual study. Okay, so the time when you realize that if you continuously study for 15 minutes and keep watching on your clock, that means you are not studying properly. Okay, so you are just following some robotic timetable, but that not helping you. Okay, so when you are studying, you are solving one question paper. Okay, the question paper might take some longer time than you are expecting, but still after you finish the paper, complete 3-hour paper once you have done, and then you realize, okay, I have finished the paper without doing anything else, that means you are studying well. So that is the way to understand, okay, whether I am doing well or not. Okay, now next is obviously I am going to help you to understand which are the most important chapters that you cannot skip. Okay, so units and measurement, a basic chapter, but from this chapter some other concepts are related in the second PU as well. So this is a basic chapter, that's why I recommend this chapter you have to study. Next, kinematics. Kinematics contains 3 chapters, 2 chapters obviously. Motion in a straight line, motion in a plane. Now laws of motion contains only laws of motion chapter. Next we have work, energy, power, very simple chapter. Okay, not super difficult. 2 questions can come from this chapter. System of particles, little tricky but important because 3 questions coming from this chapter. Gravitation, simple chapter, 2 questions coming from this chapter. Oscillations and wave, combining 2 chapters, again 2 questions is coming. Thermodynamics is optional but you can do it, not super difficult to do, so 2 questions is coming from this chapter as well. Now in class 12th, okay, or your second PU, what are all the important chapters? As you can see, the class 12 chapters are all of them are looking great because they are all important chapters. Electrostatics, current electricity, magnetic effect of electric current, alternating current and EMI combined give you 2 questions. Okay, not only alternating current plus EMI give you 2 questions. Optics, 3 questions. Dual nature of radiation and matter, 3 questions. Atoms and nuclei combined, atoms 2 questions, nuclei 2 questions, total 4 questions. Electronic devices, that is semiconductor chapter, you are getting 3 questions. So if you study all these chapters properly, then definitely you can score more than 160. Okay, so this is based on the fact that also one more thing you have to remember, these numbers are based on last 5 years question paper. Now from this year 5 questions will be slightly less, so there may be some chances that the number will vary for this year, but anyway these are the super important chapters, and if you want to score well in your NEET preparation, if you want to score that 650 plus, if you want to hit that target, then definitely these chapters are must. Okay, apart from all these chapters, whatever else you can complete, very good, but right now you still have 1 month, 29 days. So in this 29 days, these chapters are super important. Try to complete them in first 3 weeks. Okay, next 3 weeks you try to complete these chapters, that is in 21 days. Then next 8 days you keep some time for revision, and at least 2-3 more chapters you can do is good. Okay, so I hope that helps you to understand what are all the important chapters, and if you have liked our video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and obviously subscribe to our new channel. I'll be back with more such videos in future. Till then, bye.